Hey everybody, you're watching Michigan Farmer 421. I'm Clyde, and today we are installing some floorboard lights on Mom's truck. So Mom's truck is a 2006 Ford F-250 5.4 gas. And there were some features in the model year of 2006 that a lot of other model years didn't come with. For instance, they have these auxiliary switches, which is kind of nice for running a snowplow or a strobe light. So we are actually going to take some trailer lights, which I'm using. They're not very great, but they show a red light. We're going to actually install them on the floor on each side. That way at night you can kind of see your feet, I guess, and it's one thing she wanted. So we're going to wire that up. So I'm going to have to take this cover off down here and access the fuse panel to find those wires. So here we go. Okay, we now got our fuse panel pulled out. It was just 4 simple bolts, 10mm. And we found the auxiliary 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? For the auxiliary switches 1, 2, 3, 4. If I can show them with the camera, Clyde, come on. Okay. There are 4 wires. To test to make sure, because some trucks may be different than others. Let's just be real here, not all Fords are the same. To test to see which switch goes to which wire, you would need to put the key in, turn it on, and then turn on your certain switch. So we want switch 1, the orange light will light up, and you go through and find the wires. So let's see here, tried to do one-handed here, but we found, let's pick this one, and we use our test light, and it lights up. And I just have it grounded over here on the pedal. Now, if it wasn't that wire and the test light didn't light up, I'd go on to the next wire until I found it. So it happens I found it on the first wire. So with these 4 switches, these 2 are 30 amp circuits and these 2 are 10 amps. Kind of explains why the 2 big wires back here are 30 amp and those 2 little ones are 10 amp. So I could guess, well, okay, so the 10 amp wires are going to be smaller, so those aren't it. So you can just find which one you want there. So it looks like someone already had something hooked up to these already. So we're going to redo some wiring and find location for our lights. So here we go. Okay, I now got our lights installed. We have one installed, if I move my hand, right there, using a 7/16 or 1/4 inch bolt right into the frame. These lights are equipped to where if you bolt the light to a metal frame, it is already grounded, so all you have to do is supply a positive wire. So same over here, we have a metal bolt that touches the frame, and we ran a nut over it, and that one is now grounded, so all we have to do is hook up our power wires. So I'm going to run some wire and splice some wire together. Probably going to use this nice red wire right here, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Okay, I now got the wires ran. So this red one goes over here to kind of like a split. The other red one goes to the other light, and the black one ties into this light. So now if I turn on the key, flip switch 1, lights up. I am using a 30 amp circuit. I don't know if that's going to give it more power or not, but they seem to light up pretty bright. So now I'm going to have to tuck all this back away, and hopefully it goes in smoothly. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Got her all taken care of. And pretty much that's it. I'm going to just test it one more time. Orange light is on. Red light is on. So, we have a success. Alright, we got all of our tools taken care of. And that is going to wrap up today's video. If you liked me installing floorboard lights into Mom's truck, give her a big old thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe to get notified when I post new content. I am trying to post Monday and Friday right now. Some days I miss, some days I don't. Just depends on what I'm working on. So other than that, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.